Hey everyone, in today's video we will learn how to change the visibility of your videos on your YouTube channel, right? Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So for any video which you upload or you have uploaded, to change the visibility, you can do it in one single click itself. Now first let's understand what are the visibility modes. So when you go to your studio, you can see the visibility column over here, and if you just click on it, so right now all my videos are public. If you just click on this drop down, you can see there are three modes: private, unlisted and public. So public means once you make the video public, anyone on YouTube can watch your video, right? Unlisted means the video can only be viewed by anyone with the link of the video. That means if you share it with anyone, they can view it. Private would basically mean that the video can only be viewed once someone logs in and you have accepted their invite, similar to what you kind of have for Google Files, where you share an invite, they accept it, and you can give them view or edit rights. Over here, you can give them viewing rights for your video. So these are the three types of visibility modes. And to change from public to unlisted, simply click over here and click on save, and you can see. So now the description has been also updated. Anyone with the video link can see this video. This video won't appear on your channel page. It also won't appear in YouTube search results unless someone adds it to a public playlist. I hope this is very understood. What's the difference when you move it to public and when you move it to private? So you can see over here, you get an option share privately. You can add the email ID of the person you want to share it with. You can add them, notify via email, and they can then watch your video. It's similar to kind of what you save videos for yourself to watch later. Public would basically mean anyone can view it anytime. You can see, everyone can see this video. So this is the simplest way, a single click way to change the visibility of your video. The other way is when you're uploading or post upload, you can see over here this option you get to change the visibility the same way. You can also schedule. That's not a visibility mode, that's an option basically for scheduling, but it appears over here it only. So this is the way you can change the visibility of your video. I hope this was useful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.